In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your Google Chat experience by blocking or reporting unwanted contacts. Whether you're dealing with someone sending you unsolicited messages or worse, this guide will help you take control of your digital interactions easily and efficiently. First, let's begin by navigating to Google Chat. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing chat.google.com into the address bar. Alternatively, if you prefer to keep things within your email workflow, you can open Google Chat directly from Gmail. Whichever method you choose, you'll be accessing the same powerful tool designed to keep your communications streamlined and safe. Once you're in Google Chat, the next step is to locate the conversation with the person you wish to block or report. Simply find their chat in your list and click to open the conversation. This will bring up the chat window where you can see your message history with that person. Now that you have the chat window open, it's time to access some additional options. Look towards the upper right corner of the chat header. There you'll see 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down with several choices, but in this case, we're interested in the Block and Report option. Go ahead and click that to proceed. Upon clicking Block and Report, a pop-up window will appear, presenting you with 2 distinct choices. The first option, Block, will prevent this person from sending you any more messages. It's a quick and effective way to stop unwanted communication. The second option, Report, allows you to inform Google about any spam, harassment, or inappropriate content that this person has been sending. While it's entirely your choice, you can select either option, or both, if you feel it's warranted to both block and report. Once you've made your selection, it's time to finalize your decision. Go ahead and click Confirm to put your chosen actions into effect. By doing so, you'll either block the person from contacting you again or send a report to Google, alerting them to any issues so they can take appropriate measures. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage your interactions on Google Chat, ensuring your online communication is as seamless and secure as possible. By following these steps, you can take control of your digital space and focus on the conversations that truly matter. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more helpful tutorials just like this one.